Naghahanap ka ba ng romantic dinner spot dito sa Bangkok na may magandang view, masarap na food and drinks, at may kasama pang live jazz music? Then let me take you to Oscar and Blanco. Isa tong modern luxury bar and restaurant na nagsiserve ng Mediterranean fusion cuisine and creative drinks. Located ito sa Bangrak Riverview, kaya from here, makikita mo ang ganda ng Icon Siam sa kabilang side, plus yung mga naggagandahang cruises sa Chao Phraya River. Pagpasok mo pa lang, maa-amaze ka na agad sa interior design, elegant and classy. May outdoor seating din sila, kaya perfect to for photoshoots with the river and Icon Siam in the background. And the vibe? Para ka na rin nagdi-dinner cruise. So for starters, we had their bluefin tuna avocado tartare and beef ragu Wellington. And grabe, ang fresh ng tuna and the avocado combo, the best. Yung beef Wellington naman, rich, tender, and melts in your mouth. As a beef and seafood lover, we also ordered the Wagyu pasta gusto picante and the black coal pasta with hotate in ikura. Personally, I really enjoy the Wagyu pasta. Super tender ng beef na may slight spicy kick. And the black coal pasta, very refreshing, ang fresh ng scallops and ikura with a hint of wasabi. Parang sushi in a pasta form. Grabe, lakas maka-unique. For drinks, we tried the Skytopia and Innocent. Both fruity, fragrant, and refreshing. Meron din silang desserts for those na may sweet tooth gaya ko. And the best part, may enjoy mo lahat ng yan with the live jazz music sa background. Kaya sobrang perfect na lugar na to for a date night with your partner or even a chill hangout with friends or family. Kaya isave mo na tong video na to kung